Now, Jamb just took everybody by surprise. I mean, they just dropped this update that is confusing a lot of you. 3 updates actually. And in this video, let me just run you through the 3 updates that Jamb just dropped. Very, very important too. Number 1, Jamb mop-up exam. Of course, Jamb has talked about the final exam. They have written the main Jamb exam. There was a resitting of Jamb exam, and there's now what they call mop-up exam. Let me give you the update. The examination, every one of you, I'm sure many of you have reached me on WhatsApp. Many of you have commented on our previous videos wanting to know the particular day Jamb exam we hold. I mean the mop-up exam, for those of you that want to rewrite and have a better score. Okay, the examination for candidates who missed the 2025 UTME scheduled examination will be announced shortly. This includes candidates whose biometrics failed during verification. Pay attention. This includes candidates whose biometrics failed during verification, those registered to take the examination at the board's 8 foreign centers, those registered to take exam at the board's 8 foreign centers, and those in similar situation. There are those that will take outside Nigeria. Okay, the management is currently finalizing the necessary arrangement. Jamb is currently doing what? Finalizing the necessary arrangement with the dates expected to be set within this month. So within this month of June, Jamb will announce the particular date for the mop-up exam, the final exam. What this means is that if you are in that category, you missed your first exam or the receipt exam and you want to rewrite. Right now, the particular date, Jamb has not started scheduling the dates for the exam. Of course, this one is not just in the southeast or in Lagos. It's everywhere across the country, right? Both in the north, in the south, in the east, everywhere, not central, Abuja, everywhere. You can write, okay? But Jamb has not given us the date. They are saying this year's mop-up examination will also accommodate candidates who missed the initial examination due to unacceptable reasons but granted pardon this year. Candidates are advised to disregard any candidates are advised to disregard any social media post suggesting specific dates. The board will make an official announcement when the date is confirmed. Do you hear? That's why it's good you are on this channel. You are getting the update as it is dropping. Jamb is saying that at this moment, they are still making preparation for the mop-up exam. This is the first update they are giving. And they have not decided on a date yet. They have not started scheduling. So anybody telling you this one about the date, Jamb has not given any particular date. This is official. Number 2 update. This one is very, very important. In fact, this Jamb just gave this update and it's shocking everybody. New O-level uploading method. It was not this way before. It has not been this way before. But Jamb just decided that uploading of O-level with thumb printing and biometrics. First of all, let me explain what is going on here. When we talk about thumb printing, it means your fingerprint. Just like if you go to bank to do your BVN, they will need you to do your fingerprint. And nobody can do it for you except you because you are unique. No other person has your kind of fingerprint, right? Only you have your kind of fingerprint, okay? Uploading of O-level this is to inform you that Jamb has made it compulsory. Has made it what? Compulsory for all candidates to upload their O-level results. It is now compulsory for candidates to upload their O-level results at an accredited CBT center. It is now compulsory for you to go to a CBT center. Before now, you can upload your O-level result from the comfort of your home. I mean, with your laptop, with your phone, you could upload your result. But right now, you must go to a Jamb CBT center, because not just any cyber cafe, a Jamb CBT center, because you need to do your thumb printing. You need to thumb print. You need to put your finger, and nobody can do it for you. If you have not done this yet, I gave a previous post about it, and many of you were able to upload. So what you need to do is just go back to the portal and check if your upload was successful. If your results, your O-level results are already showing, then there is no problem. But you need to confirm, right? However, if you have not done this yet, please ensure you visit a recognized CBT center immediately to avoid any issues with your admission. This way, you don't need to sleep on it. You need to just go and do it immediately. Okay? If you have uploaded before and you have confirmed in your portal that it is there, you don't need to re-upload again. Please tell others. Be very careful, okay? Be very careful. There are many fake educational consultants online claiming to offer help, but they are not trained or authorized. Don't fall victim to fraudster. Right now, anybody telling you to pay them money to do it for you is joking. You must go to a CBT center. Of course, they won't do it free, so why go with at least, it should be cheap, but go with at least 3K. Then some may collect 500, some may collect 1,000, but just go with at least 3,000. Why go with your O-level result, right? Go with your your WAEC result or NECO result, the one you are using for your registration. Now, the final update from Jamb is personalized Jamb caps. Your link for accessing your portal. Jamb has deactivated all unique caps URL link. For those of you that have been using the unique caps link to access your portal without email or password. Some of you have been able to be accessing your portal without your email or password. Some consultants online have been helping you to generate it. Jamb has deactivated all caps links. For individuals who no longer have access to the email address that they use during their Jamb registration, an email correction is necessary. You need to go and correct. This is still complicated. We are still Jamb is still going to clarify this with time, but this is just what it is right now. This correction process enables you to update your email address and ensure uninterrupted access to your account. So you need to go update your email address in your Jamb portal. This is very, very important. Further instruction will be provided shortly. At this moment, this is all we know from Jamb. These 3 updates. I'm sure that with time they'll be giving us briefings. Now, for you, if you have questions on how to rewrite your Jamb caps, you have issues on uploading, awaiting result, any issue you have, please let me know. Feel free to comment right now. And if you have not liked this video, go ahead and like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, very importantly, join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. Click on join our YouTube channel. And again, there is an important video on the screen I'm giving you free of charge. Click on it and watch now.